Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your email address on investing.com. So let's get started right away. Now, if you're trying to change your email address on your investing.com account, then you might notice that this option is not available in both the application or website. So if you wish to change the email address for your account, you will need to contact the support team. In order to do this, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store, depending on your device, and then tap on the search box and type in investing.com and start your search. Once you find the investing.com application, tap on it and then scroll down and you will see app support. Tap on this button and then tap on the email address that you see. You can then choose your email app to send a support email. Now within the subject section, type in change email address, and within the main body you can simply explain that you don't find any option to change your email address. Make sure you send this email using the email that you used while signing up, and then tap on the send button. Once you send your email to the support team, just wait for a few days, and within your response you will find the instructions that you can follow in order to change your email address. Just proceed forward with these instructions and you will be able to change your email address. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your email address on investing.com. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.